Hello students, welcome back to my channel Maths World. In this video we are going to continue with the chapter 1 geometrical constructions. In the previous video we studied up to method 2. Now in this video we are going to learn method 3, how to construct a triangle when two angles and included side is given. That means suppose we have a triangle like this, and if we have given these two angles, any two angles of a triangle, suppose if we have given these two angles and included side is given, then how to construct a triangle, that we are going to learn in this video. Example is given here. In triangle XYZ, length XY equal to 6 cm, measure of angle ZXY equals to 30 degree, measure of angle XYZ equals to 100 degree. So here are the steps that we are going to apply while constructing a triangle. So first step, what is the first step over here? Draw a rough figure. That means what we have to do? We have to draw the rough figure. If you observe the example very carefully, in this given part, one angle is an obtuse angle. That means the triangle XYZ is going to be a obtuse angle triangle, where one angle is of 100 degree and other angle is of 30 degree. So let us draw the rough figure. Here we have the rough figure. Let us name it as X, Y, Z, where angle ZXY is the 30 degree, angle XYZ is 100 degree, base XY is of 6 cm. That's a rough figure. Now second step. What's the second step over here? Draw a base segment XY of a length 6 cm. That means what we have to do, students? We have to draw the base segment XY of length 6 cm. So let us draw the base 6 cm. So here we get a base. Name it as, according to the rough figure, name it as XY and 6 cm. Now next step. What's the next step given over here? Draw an angle ZXY equals to 30 degree. मतलब हम लोग को क्या करना है बच्चों? We have to draw the angle ZXY equals to 30 degree. That means what we have to do exactly? हम लोग को यहाँ पे बेस मिल गया, XY बेस मिल गया. ओके, सो अगर हम लोग रफ फिगर यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व करें, 30 डिग्री का एंगल जो है पॉइंट x पे है एंड 100 डिग्री का एंगल पॉइंट y पे है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल मेक एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री एट अ पॉइंट x. सो कीप द प्रोट्रैक्टर एट अ पॉइंट x एंड मेक एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री. सो हियर वी गेट अ एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री. राइट डाउन द मेजरमेंट 30 डिग्री. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, एट अ पॉइंट y, जो बेस मिल गया है हम लोग को XY, उस पे जो पॉइंट Y है वो पॉइंट Y पे 100 डिग्री का एंगल आप लोग देख सकते हो रफ फिगर में. सो इन नेक्स्ट स्टेप, एट अ पॉइंट Y वी हैव टू मेक एन एंगल ऑफ 100 डिग्री. सो हियर वी हैव 100, 0 अप टू 100. हियर वी सी 100. ओके, we have to make an angle such that both the rays are going to be intersect. So let us extend this line. Here we get a point of intersection, yes or no, and that point of intersection is the third vertex of the triangle, that is the vertex Z. Write down the measurement 100 degree, and triangle XYZ is required triangle. Again we revise the steps. First step is draw a rough figure. Second step, draw a base. मतलब अगर आप लोग ये थर्ड मेथड एंड फर्स्ट टू मेथड्स अगर ऑब्जर्व करोगे, उसमें फर्स्ट दो स्टेप्स आर सेम. दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट स्टेप इज ड्रॉ द रफ फिगर एंड सेकेंड स्टेप इज ड्रॉ द बेस. ये दोनों जो स्टेप्स है वो सेम है. थर्ड स्टेप, draw an angle जेड एक्स वाई इक्वल्स टू 30 डिग्री, 30 डिग्री का एंगल पहले हम लोगों ने ड्रॉ कर लिया। देन जो पॉइंट वाई पे एंगल है 100 डिग्री का, वो एंगल ड्रॉ कर लिया। देन आफ्टर मेकिंग एंड बोथ द एंगल्स, इफ यू ऑब्जर्व्ड बोथ द एंगल्स आर गोइंग टू बी, rays of both the angles are going to be intersect at a single point, and that will be the third vertex of the triangle, and here we get the triangle XYZ. Now we start with the practice set 4. Question number 1. Construct a triangles of the measures given below. In that first question, in triangle SAT, length AT equals to 6.4 centimeter, measure of angle A equals to 45 degree, and measure of angle T is equals to 105 degree. As we all know, what is the first step, students? Draw the rough figure. So let us draw the rough figure. First of all, observe the given part. In that one angle is obtuse angle, so the given triangle, whatever the rough figure of the given triangle is going to be a obtuse angle triangle. So let us draw the rough figure. Here we have the rough figure. Let us name it as TAS, triangle SAT, where angle T is equal to 105 degree, angle A equals to 45 degree, and length AT equals to 6.4 centimeter. Here we have the first step. Now second step. What is the second step, bachcho? Draw the base. What is the base? Segment AT. What's the length? 6.4 centimeter. So let us draw the base over here. 6.4 centimeter. According to rough figure, name it as TA 6.4 centimeter. सेकेंड स्टेप क्या था बच्चों हम लोग का? जो बेस पे दो पॉइंट दिख रहे हैं, पॉइंट ए एंड टी, उस पे जो दो एंगल्स है वो हम लोग को ड्रॉ करके लेना है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेक एन एंगल ऑफ 45 डिग्री एट अ पॉइंट ए. सो हियर वी हैव द एंगल ऑफ मेजरमेंट 45 डिग्री. Okay, now next step, make an angle of 105 degree at a point T. So keep the protractor at a point T and make an angle of 105 degree. So here we have the angle 105 degree. Here we get the point of intersection and name it as point S. Write down the measurement 105 degree. That means triangle SAT is required triangle. Here we have the second example. In triangle MNP, length NP equals to 5.2 centimeter, measure of angle N equals to 70 degree, and measure of angle P equals to 40 degree. So the first step is draw the rough figure. But before making a rough figure, we have to observe the given part. यहाँ पे कोई भी एंगल ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल नहीं है, ऑल एंगल्स आर एक्यूट एंगल. दैट मीन्स हम लोग का जो रफ फिगर होने वाला है उसमें जो ट्रायंगल हम लोग ड्रॉ करने वाले हैं वो ट्रायंगल एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल ही होगा. सो लेट अस ड्रॉ द रफ फिगर. सो हियर वी हैव द रफ फिगर. लेट अस नेम इट एज NPM, where measure of angle N equals to 70 degree, measure of angle P equals to 40 degree, and length NP is equals to 5.2 centimeter. Next step क्या होगा बच्चों? What we have to do? We have to make an base of 5.2 centimeter. So let us make an base. Here we have a base of length 5.2 centimeter. According to rough figure, name it as NP 5.2 centimeter. Now second step क्या होगा? थर्ड स्टेप क्या होगा बच्चों? What we have to do? जो बेस हम लोग ने ड्रॉ किया है, here we have a 2 point, point P and point N. So on that 2 points we have to make an angle whatever measurement is given. So first we make an angle P of 40 degree. So keep the protractor at a point P, make an angle of 40 degree. This is the angle of measurement 40 degree. Next what we have to do, we have to make an angle N of measurement 70 degree. Now keep the protractor at a point N and make an angle of 70 degree. So here we have the angle of measurement 70 degree, and now you can observe, you get a point of intersection. What will be this point? Point M. So let us name it as point M. So here we get triangle MNP, where NP equals to 5.2 centimeter, angle N is 70 degree and angle P is 40 degree. Example number 3. In triangle EFG, length EG equal to 6 cm, measure of angle F is equals to 65 degree, measure of angle G equals to 45 degree. So what will be the first step? Rough figure. Before drawing the rough figure, what we have to observe? कोई भी एंगल ऑब्ट्यूज है कि नहीं है क्या? नो. सो द ट्राइंगल विल बी अ एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो यहाँ पे एक एक्यूट एंगल ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करके लेते हैं हम लोग. Here we have the rough figure. In that rough figure, let us name it as EFG, and angle F is given as 65 degree, angle G is given as 45 degree, and here length EG is given as 6 centimeter. बच्चों बिफोर स्टार्टिंग विद द मेथड 3 हम लोग ने क्या डिस्कस किया था? अगर ये एक ट्राइंगल है एंड ये ट्राइंगल में अगर ये दो एंगल्स एंड ये दो एंगल्स के बीच में का जो इंक्लूडेड साइड है वो अगर दिया है देन ओनली वी कैन कंस्ट्रक्ट अ ट्राइंगल. बट यहाँ पे ये दो एंगल्स ये है एंड साइड EG इज गिवन. सो कैन वी ड्रॉ अ triangle? Yes or no? Obviously no. So what we have to do, we have to solve this question and then we can construct a triangle. So here we have the third example. In triangle EFG, angle F is equals to 65 degree, angle G is equals to 45 degree and segment EG is given as 6 centimeter. So in that we want to find the measurement of angle E. For that we have one property of triangle. What is that? Sum of measure of all angles of triangle is equals to 180 degree. मतलब ये जो triangle है, ये triangle के जो सारे angles है वो सारे angles के measurement का addition is always 180 degree. So यहाँ पे वो property apply करके we have to find the measurement of angle E. So write down here. In triangle EFG, measurement of angle E plus measurement of angle F plus measurement of angle G is equals to 180 degree. According to the property, तीनों angles का जो addition होगा वो always 180 degree. Now here we don't हम लोग को measurement of angle E पता नहीं, so we will write it as it is. Measurement of angle F is equals to 65 degree and measurement of angle G is equals to 45 degree, which is equals to 180 degree. Now next, 65 plus 45 equals to 0, 110 degree plus measurement of angle E, which is equals to 180 degree. So what we have to find? We have to find the measurement of angle E. So यहाँ पे measurement of angle E ये 110, यहाँ पे addition है, वहाँ पे जाके क्या होगा? subtract होगा. So 180 minus 110 degree. So we get over here measurement of angle E is equals to 70 degree. मिल गया हम लोग को एंगल E. कितना मिला एंगल E हम लोग को? 70 degree. Now can we draw a triangle? Yes, we can draw a triangle with the angle E equals to 70 degree and angle G equals to 45 degree. Base EG equals to 6 centimeter. Here we have the rough figure. Now next step, draw the base of 6 centimeter. So here we have the base of length 6 centimeter. Name it as EG 6 centimeter. Now next step, हम लोग को base मिल गया, हम लोग को angles draw करने हैं. Angle E is of 70 degree. So let us make an angle of 70 degree. Here we have the angle of 70 degree. Next what? Next angle G is of 45 degree. So take a protractor. make an angle of measurement 45 degree. Now you can observe point of intersection, that will be the point F. Name it as F. Write down the measurement 70 degree and 45 degree. So here we have the required triangle EFG. Last example, in triangle XYZ, length XY equals to 7.3 cm, measurement of angle X equal to 34 degree and measurement of angle Y equals to 95 degree. So first step, draw the rough figure. It's an acute angle triangle. So draw the rough figure. Here we have the rough figure. In that rough figure, first name it as XYZ, angle X equals to 34 degree, angle Y equals to 95 degree and base XY equals to 7.3 centimeter. Now next step is draw the base. So draw the base of length 7.3 centimeter, 7.3 centimeter, name it as XY, 7.3 centimeter. Now we have to draw the angles. Angle X equals to 34 degree. So here we have the angle of measurement 34 degree. So हम लोग को यहाँ पे एंगल मिल गया. नेक्स्ट क्या होगा, एंगल Y which is of the measurement 95 degree. So here we have the angle of measurement 95 degree. So draw the angle of measurement 95 degree. Name it as point Z. So here we have the required triangle, triangle XYZ. That's all for today's video. If you like my video, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.